the fuck was that?
Look, that's
Yo, something just hit my fucking... Yo. Oh no. Oh no. Oh fuck no. Fuck no. No. Oh my fucking god. There's no way I'm recording all this. Oh my fucking god. The roof is tearing off of my customer's house. Holy fucking shit. I was just about to go home. Oh my fucking god!